Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Android Studio and JDK 11, then enable the Android SDK components. This ensures compatibility. Once done, add AR Core support. Choose Cineform or its maintained fork in Gradle, because it wraps complex rendering into simpler APIs. Create a new empty activity, set min SDK to 24 and target SDK to 31, and enable Android X. These choices prevent runtime errors and let you iterate quickly on AR scenes with minimal setup. Now you integrate core AR features. Add COM, Google, R Core and the Cineform dependency in Gradle, then sync. This gives you AR sessions and rendering. Create an AR fragment and configure the session lifecycle, request camera permission at runtime so you avoid security exceptions. Once the session runs, load 3D assets, GLB or Cineform binary, and attach them to anchors. Use hit testing with raycasts to detect horizontal or vertical planes. This step maps virtual content to real-world geometry, which is essential for believable AR placement. To complete the app, polish performance and add robustness. Optimize models and textures, enable GPU instancing, and limit real-time light probes so battery and frame rate stay healthy. Test on several devices and Android versions. Make sure AR Core is installed and enable debug logging and visual overlays to diagnose tracking. Once done, add graceful handling for tracking loss, reset the session, or re-anchor objects. If things go wrong, check permissions, AR Core installation, and session exceptions. These are the most common causes and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.